So already a lot of profits have been done today in the weekly overview, and now we have a double top forming on the gold. More than this, you remember the support, Zakar support. It's also a double top formed, and it's moving down to the full target. Very nice day for the gold. Very nice day for the gold, and it's still pushing down. Nice Fadi also 164. That's amazing, guys. So today was a great day. Let's see what we can have. ما عم تزبط معك فادي. That's okay. That's okay. We got it. So اليوم كانت بعد نشوف إذا بيوصل هلأ للفول تارجت لتحت ولا بيسكر اليوم هون. This is for the daily chart. ليكم الله ريفرسال كبيرة. ويك فيل رجع عملها كمان على الديلي. لك شو حلوة. عمل ويك أب. رجع عمل فول ويك فيل داون. وكسر اللو. حتى الويك فيل كانت بتتاخد. بيرجع بيتاخد السيل تبعنا العادي، بيرجع بيتاخد السيل كلها. يعني اليوم نهار لوتو، نهار سوري مش لوتو، بونus قصدي للدولار. and hopefully انكم للذهب على الدولار hopefully استفدتوا منها. So let's start with the gold, the star, the rock star of today, the gold. So what do we expect for tomorrow? Simply we have a pure reversal of trends at some point. عندنا برمة ترند هون because we have low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then now it broke this. So tomorrow what we should expect. اول شغله بدنا ننتبه لها بكره بدنا ننطر. يعني انا هلا ما راح اقدر اعطيكم الرقم على القد. Okay, I won't be able to give you the exact number today, but what you will do, you will listen to me. رح تسمعوني شو رح اقول لكم انتوا تحطوا الرقم. We will wait the close of the daily candle today. يعني اليوم تسكيرة الكاندل at midnight, or it depends which country you live in. We will wait the close of this candle. So what it should be done at some point, we should wait until it opens, it makes a wick up, and then start to push down again. يعني if at some point this was the close، إذا لهلا كانت هون الكلوز تبع اليوم، إذا سكر هون ووقف هون اليوم الذهب. So اللي بدنا نعمله بدنا ننطر لبكره. اوكي نبعد لحتى نقدر نشتغل. This for so we'll wait until midnight close to see where it will close, and then it should open, make a wick down up, and then pushing down we have a clean traffic again. عندنا clean traffic من هون جديد إذا كمل كسرة نزول. So we have a clean traffic, so we should expect that we go for a sell and move down. I cannot give the numbers now because we might close today here. معقول نسكر هون، معقول نسكر هون، معقول بدنا نشوف وين رح نسكر، وين رح تفتح تعمل ويك اب وتنزل. So you put the support at the lowest point. بتحطوا السبورت على اوطى نقطة اليوم رح يوصل لها ويسكرها. Okay, so once it opens, it makes a wick up and it starts to push down again. As you can see here, we have a clean traffic. There is a green candle, full green candle, no wicks. And we can have the full target down till 1745. If we resume tomorrow with this same way. So make sure make sure to check how it will close today and put the support at the lowest point. When it open, you need to see a wick up moving at some point. It's a return, يعني it's a retracement. لاحظوا هون على 4 hour or على 1 hour. So after all this move down, it should at some point retrace up a little bit and then to continue or to resume the move down if it resumes down. This is the sell for the gold. Or for the buy for the gold, we go for the 4 hours and 1 hour mainly. 1 hour. Okay, as you can see, already gold went down a lot on the 1 hour, which means that at some point it can start reverse. Here you have this support level, you take it and you put it here. Take the support and you put it at the high of the previous candle. Why? ليه? Because we have the sequence of high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and if it keeps moving down, لو حتى طلع شوية لهون عمل wick up وعم بيكمل نزلة, we will have the same sequence while we have a low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. So the only thing that it will make me feel like it's time to have the buy for a retracement up, it will be a push above for the 1 hour candle above 1774 1774. At this level, I can get the buy. Stop loss will check the candle, the low of the candle, and of course, no more than 1% for each trade. And then 1774 will be the entry, 1775 TP1, 1774 الانتري, 1775 TP1 the scalp. 17, here we go to the Fibonacci. 1777 TP2, 1777 TP2. If it breaks the 23.6, it should resume the way up to 38.2, which is 1783 TP3, and the 50% will be the 1788 TP4. You go with the Fibonacci from the top of the move من الراس من اليوم ما بلش ينزل to the down move until it breaks لحديت ما تكسر تشوفوا وين down move تاخدوه عليها. Okay, this is for gold. We go for the US 30. Guys, the stop loss. Guys, it's fighting for signals here. You're not here to learn, yes? Guys, stop loss. Where you tell me where you put the stop loss. I will not tell you. Where you put the stop loss based on what you learned from our system. 0.5% or 1%. You check. It should be the low of the candle, but it can be below, before, it can be, yeah. The lot size that you are putting, you should not risk more than 0.5% or 1%. It depends on you. Usually, it's the low of the previous candle. But if it closes here, the 1 hour, إذا سكرت هون الساعة, it opened, made the wick down, and the next 1 hour candle start to break up. So you check the low of the same candle then, not the previous candle. Okay? But always make sure not to risk more than 0.5% if you are taking many trades. If this is the only trade, at some point it will be 1% of the trade. So 1%, I don't know if it is 10, 20 pips, 50 pips. So أهم شغلة, the most important part is not to increase your lot size above the 1% risk. Okay? US 30. Still pushing down. After this move up, شوي ده هون كلها شوي بتحس حالي بالخطايطة أنا. Okay. Daily chart. Still pushing up. No break up. No break down. Still waiting. Now, we are still handling the same study. That we are still handling the same study. If this is a lot of marking, then في مشكلة. So we have the divergence from the weekly overview. عندنا divergence from the weekly overview. High, higher, high. We have the divergence here from here. So we are still expecting the move down if it breaks the support. So you'll have to wait to break the support. The same numbers for the you have in the Excel sheet and the table on the MLS. And also the buy, we are waiting the same to push up. So nothing new for Dow Jones, US 30. We had the scalp today. So check the weekly overview at the same. If it breaks up, it's breaking the higher high, we start by the buy. If it breaks down, all the sequence up, and we should start by the sell. Not by the sell, by يعني نشتري. We should start selling. Okay? So nothing changed. It's the same here for the Dow Jones. No need to waste time on it. Oil. Today, as expected, it made the double top. No push up, so it went down. The sell was around 79.50. It kept moving down till 78. And now what we should expect, what will happen with the close of today. Look, this is today, open, made a wick up, and then start to push down. We are still pushing down, hopefully to retest this level, which is 76. 76. So what we should expect to resume the move down for new people who are starting in this trade, in this game. So in this trade, so if we close the same as gold, مثل ما قلت لكم بالسل تبع الجولد, we need to wait and see the daily close of the oil. Well, where it will close after a few hours. Okay. So where it will close, we wait, we open, we make a wick down up, we wait the wick up, and then pushing down again, we will get the sell to move down more. Otherwise, the buy will stay the same. I need to open and then to move up again for the buy. Okay, so far the 1 hour. If we go to the 1 hour, إذا بننزل للساعة 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the oil, we need to wait until it goes up again to break the buy and to take it, because here this is a gray area now. So I cannot guarantee any move up unless we break the buy again up. Because oil sometimes is driven by news. أوقات بيمشي حسب النيوز. So more, it's like news 50%, technical 50%. Okay, so we should see the sell. If we resume down, the buy will be the same. The sell, you should watch. Okay, no need to push yourself hard. If you don't trade oil, you are not obliged to trade it. Actually, I do not trade it a lot because يعني gold is more technical. Dow is more technical. Euro, GBP, it's more technical. Oil, it's something more. It's additional, but it's not always technically working good. Okay, so you wait the close, the daily close of the oil, and you see how it will close today. The next candle should open, makes a wick up and start to push down, and then you will be able to take the sell. If we can see the Fibonacci from the big move up till the move down, it retraced almost 50%, and then it's pushing down again. So we might be in a new bearish trend. ممكن نكون بنيو bearish trend، خصوصا انه USA, especially that the US is trying as hard as possible to decrease the oil price to during the war يعني that's happening with Saudi Arabia, trade war, and the war of course with Russia. So to reduce the income of Russia from oil and gas and all these. So it's trying to make the US dollar stronger. When the US dollar is stronger, so other things will move down. Like euro, like gold, like oil, everything coated on dollars, it will move down. Now we go to the euro dollar. Euro dollar, as you can see, okay, already broke this and moved up today. And then we can see this moving down for the euro dollar today. Double top, look, very nice. The market today was super amazing, by the way, guys. The euro dollar for the 1 hour, it made the push up. It made the profit for the trade. Then it pushed up. First wick, the first top, second top. So here for you guys, this is information for you. When you see the candle happening, it's a pure same candle, يعني red candle and then green candle and then red reversal candle. You wait the next candle to open, make a wick up, and pushing down, you could start selling today by 105.58 like gold. It's the same thing that happens with gold. Okay, and then pushing down, we have a clean traffic, a full green candle here, clean traffic from 105.58 till 1.0532, which is almost 15 pips. And then we have a double bottom, double top. It made a double top here, as you can see. Double top, one top, two top. And then here, it closed at this candle. You don't sell here. You can sell here first. You take the 10 pips. But if it closes here, you wait the next candle to open, made a wick up. Now you have a high, you have lower high, you have lower high, and you are expecting, now you have a lower high again. You are expecting a wick fill with a double top formation. So the target is here, and you have a wick fill, and you have a wick up and moving down. So 90%, the euro dollar will make the wick fill and will move down from 105.20 till almost 1.0509. So this is a scalp trade you can take on euro dollar, making 10 to 12 pips at minimum, other than the other trade. So this is how you become better and better in trading, when you start understanding and taking many confirmations. يعني كل ما تاخدوا تأكيدات أكتر، كل ما تعرفوا أكتر. مثل هون دبل توب، رجع كسر، عمل ويك اب، من بعدها بيرجع ينزل، رح يعمل ويك فيل. صار عندي 3 confirmation، 3 confirmation. I have the double top confirmation, the sequence of high, lower, high, lower, high, the wick confirmation, and then the wick fill confirmation. I have a 3 confirmation for one trade telling me that euro dollar will go down. What should I do in this case? I should simply sell with a stop loss at above the high of the same candle, which is stop loss at the same above the high of the same candle, and pop, it went down. Okay, very simple. So now, what should we expect for euro? شو بدنا نتوقع على اليورو? We have still this support for the 1 hour, and we have now this resistance. Why this resistance? Simply because it breaks the sequence of high, lower, high, lower, high, lower, high. And if we break, now we have low, lower, low, lower, low, lower, low, lower, low. Now we have the same low. We have now higher low. بلش يصير عندنا higher low. If we start to make the wick fill and finish it and break this, so the buy should be around this level. Buy بيكون بهيدي المنطقة. So we start by 105.17 or 18. Stop loss around 1.05. 1.05 28 TP1 the scalp, 1.05 48 TP2, and 1.005 62 TP3, and the full target will be the full move down. It retraced up again, so which will be the 1.0590. As for the sell, if we start to break down again and breaking the support here, so the sell should start at 1.0487, stop loss around 1.04, let's say 1.05 at 13 pips only, almost 12, 13 pips. TP1 10 pips. Look, we have a clean traffic here. We can go all the way down till the 1.0440 at some point. And again, breaking this support, which is 1.0427, you take the normal sell that I put in the weekly overview, because here we will have a double top, big double top, and the market will resume down. GBP USD, same. Today, everything the same almost. GPUSD also moved up, took the TP1, and then start to push down again for the sell. Here it took the sell, also it took the TP1 at some point, and then it pushed up again. Now pushing up again. After the push up, what happened? بدي أعلمكم كيف تفهموها. After the push up, it went down back. Now I have a new support, which is here. When we have this support here, look, this is the new support. Okay, so now it went down, it hit here and start to push up. Now again it start to push down. The first candle was a green candle. أول candle كان clean candle حمراء كبيرة. It reversed and it denied the previous green candle because the close, it's below. يعني the low is, يعني it's like a reversal candle. The low, it's below the low of the previous candle, and the close is below the previous candle. So what should I expect here from this candle price action? When it opens, makes a look up and start to push down again, what should I do here? إذا فتحت عملت ويك اب بعد هيدي الكاندل ريفرسل عن اللي قبلها، فتحت عملت ويك اب وعم ترجع تكمل نازله. I have already a clean traffic here, this candle until this support. So what should I do? I should sell. Very simple. 122.57. 132, let's say 37. We have 20 pips target for the support. 20 pips, 10 scalp, and resume with the other 10. So it stopped here, it close. I wait this close. I don't close this trade here. It open. It should go make a wick up. and then move down. Already it opened and directly kept the move down, so I kept the runner down. Now it broke the support. كسرت السبورت هلا هون. I leave it. It's going down. We have full clean traffic here. It went all the way down to hit the support area here. It was a pure technical day, guys. Pure technical day. And that's the beauty of the technical analysis. And now it's reversing. So what should I expect for tomorrow? Simply the support here. If we break again, if it start to turn, if it makes the same move like above, إذا عملت نفس الخبرية, it moves up and then start to move down. If it breaks the support 1.2161, sell, stop loss 1.2171, only like 10 pips or 15 pips stop loss, manage the risk to 0.5%. Then I have a wick fill, so it should resume from 121.61 till 121, almost 37, but 51 the TP1, 40 TP2. Then if it breaks the support, we move to 121.02 TP3, and this support here 1.2070 the TP4. When we go to the GBP JPY, the same analysis applies to all. GBP JPY, lovely up day. It opened, made a wick down, and start to push up again. So we go to the 4-hour candle. It opens, made the wick down, and then start to push up. Push up. The buy is here, guys. Okay, it took almost 30 pips. And then start to push down again. Of course, 10, 20 pips, you closed half position. And stop loss might hit entry if you put at entry or below. And then the next candle, it opened, made the wick down. And this is very important. Very careful, guys. No, don't be robots. ما بدنا نكون robots. إنه خلص قلنا هون نشتري وخلصت وضربت stop loss entry خلصت الخبرية. No. You wait, you check. Okay, now I have a new low, higher low, higher low. Now I have still a higher low here. So it opened, made the wick down, and it's pushing up again. So where do I take that buy again for the second time? I take it at 1.6111. Here, when we have a wick fill to do, we started with a wick down, and then it's pushing up. فتحت عملت wick down وعم تكمل طلعة. دغري انا هون باخدها لانه كمل الطلعه عم تكمل مومنتوم. I'm still having low, higher lows, higher low, higher low, higher low. So now I take the buy here and I move up, and then it opens, make a wick down. I'm still higher low. It's go up and then poop. I keep now open, wick down, higher low, and this is how I resume with this trend up. So I spot a trend, I keep pushing with this trend. So until we see tomorrow, we have the daily chart. Tomorrow, normally, it should open, make a wick down, I don't know how much, and start to push up. So people who wants to trade the GBP JPY tomorrow, they have to see today where it will close. بده يطلع اليوم يشوفوا وين عم بيسكر. هلا مش لانه كمان طلعت اليابان هلا من المونديال ضعف الين، في عالم بحللوا هيك. So no, it has nothing to do. So what should happen here, we should have a new wick, opens, make a wick down. Look, we have a reversal up, low, higher low. This is a pure bullish candle. It alerts that tomorrow the trend should resume up. يعني بكره trend الكاندل لازم نكمل طلعه for GBP JPY, up for GBP JPY. But okay, I don't care about the country, dear Kirian. I check the candle. You put the daily candle and you see when this candle will close. Here Dubai time, it's around 2 p.m. Dubai time, GMT +4. So you can relate, but you have to see this daily candle closing and new candle open. Okay, this is a daily candle. So once this candle closes, it means that one day is done. So yet the next day it should open, make a wick down, And then while pushing up again, the buy will be around 166.61 if it's here, if it's closed here. If now it keeps moving up for the next 4 hours and it closed at 166.80, so you put the resistance at 1.6880 and you wait until it open, makes a wick down, but make sure the wick down do not break the low of the previous candle to keep the momentum of low, higher, low, and high, higher, high. Then I take the buy for a wick fill here. So let's say as an example, it closes here today. So 166.60 the entry. One stop loss, I will see the next candle, the low of it, where it will be. I cannot say from now. 66.70 TP1, 67 TP2, and the full wick fill 67.37 TP3, and then we have a clean traffic till 168. So we might see the momentum pushing up tomorrow again. Okay, for the GBP JPY. This is done for the weekly overview. This update, you know, this update is only on these 6 pairs, which is gold, oil, Dow, US 30, and but today something really happened also on the USD CAD, and this was one of the best thing it happened to see how technical it is. You see the double bottom here, bottom, and then it took it and then start to push up again. Yani even though I did not mention in the weekly overview, you as a trader, you are not a signal group here. We are a community that you have to learn and to become more professional. So I give you what I give you, but you work on yourself. So here, for example, we have a double top bottom, very clear for the USD CAD. Okay, it opened with 1, 2, and then here you start buying 134.50, stop loss in the middle 134.25 on 25 pips, and the full target of this double bottom was this. Like 134.90. So this was the trade. Of course, we are here creating traders, not followers. Traders, leaders in trading, guys. So what happened here? 134.50, the stop loss around 25 pips, and take profit around 50 pips. Risk reward almost 1 to 2. So what happens here? You take the buy, stop loss, you put it, and you wait. There is no retracement. It didn't happen. So there is no stop loss that hit. And step by step, you will have to learn these things. That's why you have to give it 6 months. You have to give it 7 months. You are going into a career. You are not going into something, I don't know, you got my point? So best of luck, guys. Hopefully you get benefit from this session. This was the update for the main pairs I work in. Euro dollar, GBP JPY, US 30, gold, and oil, of course, I put it. So best of luck for tomorrow. Tomorrow should be an amazing also day. Thank you so much, guys, for your wishes. And this day was an amazing day. So best of luck. I will be sending the replay for 48 hours only. I will be sending the replay on the Discord. Sorry, on the Telegram channel. Okay, the MNS. Thank you, guys.